Hold, anak, hold. Here.
Vaccine.
Vaccine, what vaccine?
Second dose.
COVID vaccine. Ikaw, ba't nandito ka din?
He wants to play outside.
We'll try. Hi. Ikaw? Ha? Vaccine? Kuya, how's your feeling? Are you okay? Kuya will have second dose today.
Why?
Huh? That's required. That's for your own good. Yeah? Protection. Yeah, thank you, Lord. Ano tawag din, kuya? Vaccination card. Naku, we lost your vaccination card, anak. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan yung vaccination card mo.
You take camera, I take camera. Okay.
Second dose. Hold, anak, hold. Sin.
Painful.
Ha? Painful? You have to tell us, ha?
What?
You have to tell us what you're feeling. Don't lie. Because alam ko maglalay ka kasi takot ka sa gamot.
What? You said pain.
It's paining now? Ah. May pain na daw si kuya. Laki na rin siguro yung ginastos dyan ko, no? Baka ano. Kasi hindi naman siya giniba din eh. O yung nakaano pa din. Pinag-iisipan pa nila yan. Yeah! We're here in Mercab Mall! Jassim! You make vlog for your channel, anak.
I thought you. Okay, fine.
Hey, Jesse, excited na naman si Jibril. Excited. Oh. So after namin nagpa-vaccine, nandito kami sa Mercab Mall. Our favorite mall. Welcome to Mercab Mall. So ayan yung jump sa taas. Lalaro si JJ ngayon.
The two stars of our channel.
They have balloons. Maybe it's their anniversary, nak. It's jump anniversary. Yeah. Jump anniversary maybe. That's why they have some balloons. So the balloons is very nice. Oh, yellow and white.
Excited.
So, ayan. Thank you so much, Lord. Dahil natapos na si Jassim mag second dose today. So, okay naman yung ano niya. Sabi medyo masakit lang daw. Ngayon, after nag-health center, after niyang naka-receive na second dose, nandito sa playground. Naglalaro sila ni Bunso. Tapos nagbablog na din siya kasi meron siyang channel na monetize na din. Actually, channel yun ng papa niya, pero hindi na rin kasi naasikaso. So, pinalitan nila pinalitan niya ng pangalan nilang dalawang magkapatid. So, yung channel nilang bago is AJ Brothers. Yon. So, most na mga videos sa kanila lang talaga. Si Kuya yung magmamanage ng kanyang channel, ng kanilang channel. Ayan. So, don't forget to subscribe also my channel, Team J. So, ayan. Ayan silang dalawa. But first, we will borrow some trolley down, anak, for JJ.
Why?
It's only for free, so we need to grab the opportunity for the free.
Why?
Why I cannot carry him like this? We don't have trolley.
Okay.
And he will ask me every time to carry me, mama. Carry me, mama. Oh, tayo, tak, 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 tak. Okay. Careful, anak, ha?
Yes, I am.
Pa-fall down tayo dito.
This is what a cameraman does.
Really?
Yes.
So you want to be a cameraman of mama?
No.
Good luck.
I see cameramen survive in Endgame. So yeah.
In your mobile, there's so much videos na there.
So
It's more than ano. You can upload it in your... It's a kiddie cruiser. Hi! Pwede po kami maniram. Ayan, pula gusto ni Gigi red. Color of the day.
all of the day
You want
red.
this, anak? For the same size din.
Get in.
1, 2, 3.
Yes, he can fit. He's a big, small boy.
Ang sirkit, anak. Okay pa. Kung magsiseatbelt pa.
He wants to have a car.
Okay na? What time na, anak? Check mo yung time na kasi. Thank you for my cameraman. AJ Brothers channel.
Supporting their mother.
Yeah. Oh, mabangga ka na.
Yes, I know. I can look. I can see what I'm doing. Kawawa. Ma, she kawawa.
She's kawawa.
Yes.
Why kawawa?
What do you mean? What do you mean? Why kawawa?
Because I refuse?
No, because she's not getting any clients.
She's not getting any clients.
Yes.
Later, she will have more at night time because there's a lot of customers in the night time.
How can you say?
Because I work like that also before. Usually, the customer will come at 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock like that. So, it's okay. Later, you will have more clients.
Let me see Jibril.
Yeah, Jibril, say hi, kuya. Say hi. Hi. Say hi, ito, dali. Hi. Hi. How to say hi? You don't know how to say hi?
Yes, I know.
Tired?
Tired boy.
Tired?
He's so tired.
See, there's a thirsty. Let's go to McDonald's, our favorite, what do you call that?
Favorite restaurant.
Favorite restaurant. And also,
Fast food.
Jollibee. Fast food. Favorite fast food is Jollibee and McDonald's.
Actually, Jollibee is a restaurant.
It's a restaurant because there's rice.
Maybe.
You think it's a restaurant because you can eat rice there?
No, not because of that. It's more. Jollibee is more of a restaurant.
1 minute, 1 minute. So, Kuya, second dose of vaccine today. Oh! What happened to your food?
Not fault. It only folded the chair.
I'm waiting for Papa.
Why?
Papa is coming. Dami ni JJ toys. Daming toys. What's that? You finish 7 nuggets.
7 nuggets. I could have taken 3.
How many pieces for you? 2. So 6. Total of 6. Because it was 6. It was 8. Amoy sigarilyo na.
Maybe that is from the smoke there.
It's from there, from outside. Sabi ko kasi mawawala. Wala tayong kontak kay Papa.
Wala akong, tagal na. 1 linggo na akong walang pantawag.
Bakit wala kang patawag, Papa?
May walang pambili.
Ayaw mo? Ayaw mo bumili?
Wala akong pambili.
Grabe siya. Minsan nga wala kang may pambili ka nga ngayon, ayaw bumili. Minsan pag wala kang pambili, meron kang pambili. Ba't hindi ka nag-ano sa ATM mo?
Why not?
Oh, why not daw, Papa? Ah,
Even though I don't understand.
Papa, you don't want to use because Papa wants us to eat McDonald's.
But we already ate McDonald's.
You already eat McDonald's, right?
Yes.
How much? 40 reals.
40 riyals.
Yeah.
For kid meal.
Kid meal 3 order, ay 2 order for kid meal. Ay, Happy Meal pala anak. Kid meal is from from Jollibee.
What's this?
From the clothes.
How come?
You broke your anak.
No, I did not.
Trolley.
What should I do with this?
Which one?
This one.
Put it in your pocket first. You cannot throw that one on the floor.
How about put it in the trash bag?
Yeah, if you find it's okay. Jassim! Ay. Go ha? So, thank you Lord. We're home. At tapos na po yung second dose ni Kuya Jassim. Thank you Lord. Thank you for watching guys.